Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and today I'm going to be giving 7 tips on what we can do to make sure that we prevent ourselves from catching the coronavirus. Coronavirus is a very deadly virus. In fact, it's very similar to the SARS virus, which killed a lot of people a few years ago. Mainly because the virus is passed from animal to human, and secondly because there is no cure that is known to man. There are some groups of people that are more at risk than others. These are children that are 5 years and below, adults that are 65 years and above, pregnant women, and anyone with an existing condition like asthma, diabetes, liver, blood disorder, coronary disease, and even kidney diseases. This is because the body of anyone who's got such a condition, their body is already struggling to fight off that condition, and as a result, any other virus that will come into their body, it would only suppress their immune system. Now, when it comes to prevention, there's some few things that we can do. Number one is when in public, when outside, just make sure that you wash your hands with soap and water. Number two, use alcohol-based antibacterial and antiviral gels, especially if you don't have water at hand. Number three is avoid coming in contact with anyone who's got flu-like symptoms. Number four is avoiding touching your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and especially if you've been out and you haven't washed your hands. Number five is wipe out any commonly used surfaces like door handles or even surfaces that if you're in an office, anywhere that is commonly used by using antibacterial wipes. Number six is if you have got flu or any cough, just make sure that you bring yourself enough tissue so that you can always catch any phlegm that is coming out of as a result of the coughs, and also just disposing the tissues correctly. And finally, number seven is just making sure you wear some gloves in public, because you'll be touching a lot of surfaces that could be decontaminated. And also, just if you don't have a mask, like you've seen a lot used in the TV now, you can actually come up with something just using my my scarf, and I'll just show you quickly how to do that. Just bring it around your neck, and if you just, especially if you suspect if you're sitting to someone who's got lots of coughs and sneezes, just covering yourself, your mouth and your nose, so that you don't end up catching it. That's it. And there's more you can do to just help your body also become more be able to fight any conditions that are coming in. This is especially having eating foods that are high in vitamin C's. So a lot of the citric fruits, like oranges, having a warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Vitamin C helps your body to fight any infection that is coming to attack the body. In addition to that is just making sure that we're eating lots of fruits and vegetables, because they have got plant chemicals that are really good in helping our bodies to fight any diseases. And also just having things, drinking a lot of water, at least 7 to 8 glasses a day. Water helps our body to flush out toxins. So if you have got anything, it will just help you to stay more healthy. And also resting well, because when we sleep, our body renews itself, it rejuvenates. And finally, exercising. There's so many benefits when it comes to exercise. So it just helps us to make sure that we are fit, we're healthy, and if God forbid we come across any virus, our body will be able to fight it off. I do hope that you find my video helpful. Please like and share with others, and do subscribe to my channel so that you're first to know when I do release new videos. Thank you.